Right guys, so we're back with another video playing Xbox again. Today we're playing Forza. I've already played a ton of this game. I might make a new Xbox profile in the future when our Wi-Fi gets better. But yeah, let's get right into this. So I'm doing this in my mum and dad's room because it's like literally closer to the Xbox, like by the time. There's never close. Hope it isn't right. Oh no. Alright, I'm gonna change to Bugatti because I just bought this, I think. Here we go. I would go in my Lambo and stuff, but yes. This might just be a 5-minute video, but I don't know. Right, where am I supposed to be going? I'm just driving this, like I can't race in it because I'm racing the other cars, but I can just change when I'm there. So let's go right into it. Oh no, what's happening? Oh, sorry about that glitch. Yeah. That's just great. I'm a terrible driver, by the way, so I've came first in most of my races, but like, oh yeah, oh no, right. I'm probably like the worst Forza driver. I just play it a ton. Like before I got Watch Dogs, I played this game. Like, I took my Watch Dogs too. Just feels weird playing this on like computer, but I can see the screen on computer. It's like still playing on the Xbox. You can turn the Xbox off though. Okay. Right. Hope it doesn't just take 3 minutes to get to the race. Die. Jeez, this is a fast car. I think it's like the fastest car in the game. But well, I hope it is, because there's cars that cost a lot more. Like, they're only like speed 6.7. Right, here we go. Sick. Yeah, I know. That's the best car there. Now, like, I'm terrible at the races. I still win them though. No, I'm fine. Total winnings 2-0. Whoa. Alright. First race on this channel. I used to just film it with a camera and it, like, oh no. Look how bad all these cars are. Like, they're like the average like human would have cars like this, I think. Maybe a bit worse. Because this car does still cost a bit, because it's the fastest car that they have. I think it costs the most as well. Well, that would make sense. Jesus, I'm so bad at this game. Right, here we go. 12% progress. Dude. This normally takes like a few minutes per race. Like, I've already did the finale, like the first one. I think there's 2. But like, oh jeez, I should be first. loading speed. This is probably the best speed I'm gonna get, like 120 roundabout. Come on, how much speed do these dudes have? Probably like 50. Some people, like, I kind of think it's cheating using the thingy, rewind. But I still do it. That was a lucky one. Right. Jesus, brightness. Oh, it's just because it's at night and it's raining. It's clouds and stuff. I actually like playing this because I just like the screen's like makes it a bit smaller, but like fine by me. First place, come on. Ah, I might go in my Lambo to the next race. Well, I can't really change in the middle, but like this is Forza Horizon 2. I know it goes up to 7. The 7's like just like I think it's making cars. I don't know. Not making like it's Forza Horizon 7 Motorsport. That's it. You son of a gun. Can I use you? Nope. Alright, let me do that again. Yes. Fun. If I actually had like people to watch my videos, they'd probably be commenting that I was cheating. Cause like I don't think much other people play Forza. Right, here we go. Probably gonna make a video on Watch Dogs after this if it's like working. I have like scouts on Thursdays. I'm not going to football anymore because it's like just don't really want to go. Right, yes, 20 points. It never adds on. When I get to 100, it just stays like that. Okay. Oh no. Don't. Oh no. No. Yeah. Okay, just don't do that again. This is not when I'm driving. Done. I just spent all my money on an aerial. They're like track toy things. I think they're called, yeah, track toys. But, oh yes. Pink wristband rolls. After like 6 hours in first place, I think it is. Yes! Okay. I feel like my videos are going to be a lot better with me doing, oh yes, with me having, being able to play an Xbox. Like, I might not, oh, is that it? No. Can you stop? Can you stop? Oh, our sound is gone. Oh, it's gonna handle a road trip now. Oh, I can just feel that glitching. I feel like since there's a micro, I'm looking at the controller, since there's a micro USB thing on the controller, I feel like I could be able to plug it into the, my computer because they're not communicating that well, like, the the computer's a bit behind. So like I'll push gas and or whatever it is to go forward, and it'll be like Jesus, I'm losing my words. It'll be like oh, what was I saying? Yeah, like when I push the gas, it'll just push it after. Like I've broke before that. Oh, come on, continue. Oh, I don't care about rumors and bonds. I never do them. Don't care. Right, guys, so hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.